So they're asking for the area of a regular hexagon, and so you could either use the formula for a regular polygon, 1/2 the apothem times the perimeter, or if you don't remember that formula, it's derived from just a polygon is always made out of triangles, and so you just have 6 triangles, and we know how to find the area of a triangle, 1/2 base times height, we can do it from there. So to find out one of the areas of these triangles, I need to make a base and a height. So the perimeter is 72, so each divided up equally amongst 6 sides, each one is 12 here. And I know it's each 12 because they say it's regular, so all the sides are the same. And then, so my height, if I were to draw in perpendicular to that base, that's the apothem, and I need to figure out what that is. And I can do that by getting an angle. So you can either know, hey, it's a hexagon, and you can remember playing with blocks as kids, and it was made up of 6 equilateral triangles. So this is 60 degrees in there, and you end up having a 30, 60, 90 in there. But if you're not sure they're equilateral, or if it were some other figure, what you can do in general is say, hey, there's 360 degrees all the way around in there. Take that 360, divide it up equally amongst the 6 sides. So there's 60 degrees in each one of those wedges. So there's 60 degrees in that wedge, split it in half, that makes that 30. So still 30, 60, 90 triangle. So if I know this length here is 6, because it is nice, those are symmetric, that does get cut in half. So the short side is 6, so the longer leg of a 30, 60, 90 triangle will be 6 root 3, and that's my height. So I could either plug that all into this formula here, 1/2 6 root 3 times the perimeter is 72, or I could do 6 and then base. One of these triangles would be 1/2 the base, which is 12, times the height, which is 6 root 3. And you see that these are identical, right? Because, let's see, that's 1/2 and 6, and then, and that's the 1/2 and the 6 there, and there's the root 3, and then you've got 72. I can match things up, 1/2 and 1/2, 6 and 6, root 3 and root 3, and then the 6 times the 12. Gives you the 72. Okay, but they're the same. Okay, so if you simplify either one of these, you're going to get half of that 6, so I'm going to get 36 times 6 root 3. And that's going to end up being 216 root 3, and then you just plug that in on your calculator and you get roughly 374, and that's it. Okay, sorry for the mental block in there, but we got it.